she come, she like forget. At the spot, I can forget.
When we received her case, we realized that her house was in a mess. She was unkempt. She lacked personal hygiene and all this. She had no social support. She defaulted her appointments. She doesn't take medications. Although she had financial support from social service office, she was not able to manage. She gets about 400 to 500 a month, but she's always left with nothing and she doesn't know what happens to her money.
Hi, I am Iris from Class 4 Care. In this video, I will be sharing with you what we have learned from the Total Recall workshop. Dementia is not a specific disease, but is rather a general term for the impaired ability to remember, think, or make decisions that interfere with doing everyday activities. Some common symptoms of dementia are having difficulty remembering recent events, increasing confusion and reduced concentration, depression, and challenging to do everyday tasks. Alzheimer's disease is the most common type of dementia. Though dementia mostly affects older adults, it is not part of normal aging. We can help elderly who have dementia by encouraging them not to smoke, to stay at a healthy weight, to get plenty of exercise, and to manage their health problems including diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol. They can stay mentally alert by learning new hobbies, reading, or solving crossword puzzles.
Hi, we are Group F from Class 4 Loyalty. In this video, I will be sharing with you what I have learned from the Total Recall workshop. What is dementia? What does dementia affect elderly? Dementia is a problem which can lead to hearing problems and no eyesight. Some symptoms of dementia are difficulty cognitivity or forgetfulness. How can we help out the elderly who have dementia? We can try this trick is to forget and can repeat about what they love, what they have to do.
In this video, I will be sharing with you what I have learned from the Total Recall workshop. Dementia is a disease in our brain. usually affect elderly because their body is weak. Some
Orange book from class for respect. In this video, I will be sharing with you what I have learned from the total recall workshop. What is dementia? Why does dementia affect elderly? Dementia is a disease in our brain. Thank you.
We are Orange Group from Class 4 Respect. In this video, I will be sharing with you what I have learned from the total recall workshop. Some symptoms of dementia are forgetting, eyes blurry, memory loss, and misplacing things. Thank you.
Hi, we are Group D from 4 track. In this video, I will be sharing with you what I have learned from the total recall workshop. What is dementia? What does dementia affect elderly?
Dementia is an illness that affects the brain.
It usually affects elderly because
They are old.
some symptoms of dementia are
They get angry for no reason and they tend to wander about, so they get lost easily.
how can we help our elderly who have dementia?
We can help with chores around the house. Hi, we are from Group Blue Stars from 4 Diligence. In this video, we will be sharing with you what we have learned from the total recall workshop. What is dementia? Why does dementia affect elderly?
Dementia is not a disease. It will just make them forget things or stuff.
What does it affect? It usually affects elderly because
Their body is not as strong.
okay. What are some symptoms of dementia?
Forgetting things and don't know what is going to happen.
How can we help elderly who have dementia?
By giving them a caregiver and we suggest we should bring spare clothes when we go out. Hi, we are Group 7 from 4 Diligence. In this video, we will be sharing with you what we have learned from the Total Recall Workshop. Dementia is a sickness caused by the person's brain cells. Having dementia does not mean you will forget everything. It usually affects the elderly because they have weaker brain cells. Dementia does not happen to all old people. Some symptoms of dementia are lost memory, forgetfulness, and lost control of their bowels. You need to have care towards them by having patience. We can recall with them the fun memories they have been through. Our suggestions on for those living with dementia elderly is spend more time with them and have reminders for them. Thank you.